Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to generate an accounts receivable report under management module in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the management module. Here, we have to select the management dashboard reports menu under the management module. Now the management dashboard reports page will be displayed on the screen. Here we have to select the required date range. Then we have to click on the submit button. After clicking the submit button, the details will be shown. Now we have to click the account receivable report button to view the account receivable report. On this management dashboard accounts receivable page, we can see the account receivable details. If you want to download this detail, just click on the options menu. Then we have to click on the download button to download this report. This is how to generate an accounts receivable report under management module in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.